Solenn Heussaff Bolzico, born July 20, 1985, is a Filipino actress, model, and singer. She was one of the official castaways of Survivor Philippines Celebrity Showdown. She made it to the final three. In December 2010, she signed a recording contract with MCA Music, a movie contract with Regal Entertainment, and a television contract with GMA Network and GMA Artist Center. Solenn Heussaff is the second child of Cynthia Dia, a Filipina, and Louis Paul Heussaff, a former sailor in the French Navy. Before she entered showbiz, she was an endorser of several products in and outside the country. She endorsed top brands such as Pop Cola, Kotex, Vitre's Hair Solutions, Asian Secrets, Colgate, Argentina Corned Beef, Century Tuna, Greenwich Pizza and Pasta, Robinson's Land Corporation, Kenny Rogers Roasters, Axe, Holiday Ham, and Milo Nutrio. Solenn Heussaff wrote all the details on when and how #SosBolz began. Solenn started off by admitting, "For almost 3 years now, I have been married to a man who was never my type in the first place. Sorry, Nico." Solenn made it clear that when she met Nico, she wasn't ready to fall in love and she was busy with show business. However, it was fate that kept on pushing them to be together. In 2012, Heussaff began dating Nico Bolzico, an Argentine businessman. In December 2014, Heussaff announced her engagement to Bolzico. They had their civil wedding on December 2015 in Esperanza, Argentina. Then the couple had another wedding on May 21, 2016, in Chambord, France. In August 2019, she announced her pregnancy via Instagram. Heussaff gave birth to their first daughter, Thailand Katana Bolzico, at the St. Luke's Medical Center in Taguig on January 1, 2020. She is also the sister of Erwan Heussaff, the husband of actress and Curtis. Heussaff announced on July 4, 2022, that she and her husband are expecting a second child. On the 14th of December 2022, she gave birth to their second daughter named Maylise Lionel Bolzico. Solenn Heussaff recounts her journey as a painter. Despite her hectic schedule, Solenn Heussaff never forgets her passion for the arts. When she's not doing anything related to showbiz, the 34-year-old GMA7 actress releases her creativity through painting. In an Instagram post last April, Solenn wrote, "Mindfulness increases productivity. This year is all about being present. Goodbye negatrons and toxic beings #SOLENN art." Solenn reveals that she was about 3 years old when her parents enrolled her in art classes. She recalls, "I went to the house of this Spanish girl and she was teaching kids art. So we did everything from painting on silk, ink on gloss paper, we did tapestry. We did clothes made out of plastic bottles, as in anything you can touch and create something with. We learned it with her. So I feel like that's when my eyes were open about fashion and art and everything. And then when she left, my classes continued. But it was never the same. For me, she was the best teacher. I had a tapestry arts teacher. Then I did still arts at the Mile Long building. Then I did nude drawing at the Ayala Museum. So it went on until I was 18 years old. And then at 18, I just started painting on my own, trying to look for my own style." Inside Solenn Heussaff and Nico Bolzico's house, there is a wealth of ideas to peruse when it comes to celeb homes. Take, for instance, Solenn Heussaff and Nico Bolzico's Casa SosBolz, a home that's decorated in a charming style with that carefree, modern tropical sensibility. Inside, the house is brightly lit and airy, filled with many cozy nooks and crannies, with most rooms designed to offer a different outside view to the large garden outside. In case you don't know, Solenn is the biggest plantita and Nico is an agriculturist. So they made sure to have enough greenery when deciding to build a garden for their new home. All the details we love about Solenn Heussaff and Nico Bolzico's house. Sticking to neutral and wooden palettes, the Bolz fam's house looks spacious, straight out of a tropical home lover's Pinterest board. They used high ceilings, a super cozy couch, and a chill pool to ensure that they don't have to take a trip for the well-deserved R&R. All the good spots for entertainment. While Solenn admits that they're not the type to always have a lot of guests over, they do love a good entertaining sesh with their loved ones, and the rooms, which are closely situated to one another, are proof of this. We like the open kitchen, to which features a unique centerpiece made of Brazilian quartz, no less. That is a focal point each time a guest enters the house. They have an outdoor bath, too, and for those who want to distress a good old ice bath. Fun play areas for the kids. Solenn and Nico's daughters Tilly and Maylis are the absolute cutest, and they deserve only the best play areas and rooms, which their parents are generous enough to give them. Adorable. A nice bedroom and lounge area for their staff. The super comfy bedroom and private lounge area where their house helpers can rest. And that just makes us so happy for the Bolzico staff. But seriously, props to them, and may every employer with the means to do so treat their household helpers the way Solenn and Nico do. Of course, the super chic and cozy master's bedroom. We love how Solenn stressed that the balcony can sometimes be a no-kid zone. Parents need me time as well. The couple's master's bedroom is truly a spot like no other, with each nook and cranny looking IG-worthy from their walk-in closet to the room itself. What a beautiful home. Well-deserved. Nico and Solenn. Solenn Heussaff and Nico Bolzico revealed a super cool but expensive feature in their kitchen. They decided to create two kitchens, an open kitchen and a dirty kitchen. One of the main highlights of their open kitchen is the centerpiece stone table, which is made of Brazilian quartz. Solenn explained, "It's great because you can put hot pans, you can cook, you can put it on top, and it won't burn or ruin the color." Their open kitchen includes a built-in cooker hood range, a wine fridge, and of course, ovens. Solenn also opted for huge built-in wooden cabinets for her kitchen needs. Check out how she organized all her kitchen items. There are labels for everything. What interested us was the fact that their kitchen included a dumbwaiter. Yup, Casa SosBolz has a dumbwaiter lift. If you're not familiar with the device, it's a small lift used to carry things across their house. At first, Solenn was against Nico's idea to put it in their house since it consumes a lot of space, but she later on learned to appreciate it. When I saw the price of the dumbwaiter, I was super pissed. I said we're never gonna use it, but lo and behold, Nico was right. We use it all the time. This is from the experience of living in a 3-floor house, having to go up and down when we forget something. It was getting tiring. So Nico said when we got our house, "I want a dumbwaiter." He got it and it was very, very good, Solenn said. Aside from having an open kitchen, their house also has a dirty kitchen. Solenn made sure to plant an herb garden for everything she would need while cooking. Netizens couldn't help but adore Solenn and Nico's house. Some called it very organized and homey despite the extravagant appliances and furniture. I love the concept of open space of the house. Literally love this house. Elegant and well organized, one netizen wrote in the comments section of Solenn's latest vlog. Solenn has already uploaded several vlogs featuring the different parts of their house. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Take care always.